Everyone, good morning. So kadalasan kapag sinasabi natin na salvation, tumatatak sa isip natin, we are saved. Saved from hell, saved from sin na nagawa natin. Then, anong mangyayari? Ganun lang ba ang nasa isip natin? So kapag save, salvation, isipin natin, hindi yun we are saved from. But we are saved for. Saan? For healing, for love, for trust, at sa mga bagay-bagay pa na pwede natin gawin sa kapwa natin. Heaven, here, right now. Yun yung gustong iparating na we are saved for something na gustong ipagawa sa atin ni God. Is what did Jesus save us for? So, dapat hindi lang naka-focus yung isip natin na nakasave tayo sa mga judgment. Part yon. But, it's a salvation na ano yung pwede natin gawin wait until we die. So, we are worth saved for something. And the truth is, we are saved for justice, for healing, mercy, community, for love. That just like Jesus, salvation is it's not a get out hell free card. Tatandaan natin yun na Jesus is not save us to keep us safe. Meron tayong mission na dapat natin gawin para to glorify Him. Dangerous. We are not just rescued. We are rescued for something. So don't end your salvation that you are saved from. Because the real question is, what did Jesus did save you from? And tanungin mo yung sarili mo na, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit ako sinave ni God? Hope that you learn something dun sa motivational talk natin, na maintindihan mo na meron kang kailangan gawin. At meron kang dapat gawin para kanino. At yun ay to glorify God. Na meron siyang pinapagawa sa atin to worth something for. Hope you learn something. Thank you everyone. And